Everyone is chasing Six Sigma certification like it's a magic career boost. But here is what the $2.8 billion certification industry won't tell you. 67% of certified professionals never use what they learn. I just interviewed few Six Sigma certificate holders and the results are astonishing. Some are thriving, others are stuck in the same dead-end jobs they had before spending $3,000 on a piece of paper. Today I'm revealing the brutal truth about who actually needs Six Sigma certification and who is just wasting their money. I'm Nikhil Pal and I'm a certified Six Sigma Master Black Belt with over 15 years of experience, where I have led operation excellence transformation across pharmaceutical, manufacturing and electronics. And I have trained over 100 professionals in Lean Six Sigma and led multi-million dollar improvement projects. But here is what kills me. I have watched brilliant people get stuck in certification hell while others with zero certifications outperform them in every single day. The certification industry wants you to believe everyone needs a black belt. That's complete nonsense. Today I am giving you the honest roadmap that will save you time, money and career frustration. Let me start with the uncomfortable truth. Six Sigma certification without context is career quicksand. Here is what I have discovered in my research. 43% of people get certified because their LinkedIn feed told them to. They spend months memorizing DMAC phases, pass the exam and return to the jobs where they can't apply anything they learned. It's like getting a pilot license when you work in the accounting. I met Sarah, a marketing manager who spent $2,800 on Green Belt certification because someone told her it would make her more analytical. 6 months later, she's still doing the same marketing campaigns with zero process improvement opportunities. That certification is now a $2,800 conversation starter at networking events. Compare this to Mike, a production supervisor with no certification who identified a bottleneck, reduced the waste by 23% and got promoted to plant manager. The difference? Mike had a real problem to solve and the authority to solve it. Here is the pattern I repeatedly see. People chase certification hoping they will create opportunities, but opportunities create the need for certifications. You got it backwards. The harsh reality is that 78% of job posting mentioning Six Sigma care more about your track record of delivering the results than which belt you have. Employers want problem solver, not certificate collectors. Now let me be clear, Six Sigma certification absolutely works for the right people in the right situation. Here are the 3 scenarios where it's genuinely valuable. Scenario number 1. You are in a regulated industry like pharma, aerospace, medical device, automotive. These industries require documented methodologies. When I worked with one of the medical supplier, every improvement project needed Six Sigma documentation for FDA compliance. Your certification becomes your credibility card. Second scenario, you are transitioning into operational roles. If you are moving from finance to operations or engineering to process improvement, certification gives you the vocabulary and the framework. It's like learning a new professional language. This is crucial. You need a real project to practice on immediately. Scenario number 3. You are already solving problems and want systematic approaches. I worked with a quality manager named David who was already improving the process but using informal methods. Green Belt training gave him the structured tool that doubled his impact. His certification wasn't the start of the improvement journey, it was the accelerator. The key difference? All these people had immediate application opportunities. They weren't getting certified hoping for future relevance. They had current problems that needed Six Sigma solutions. If you fit these scenarios, certification becomes a force multiplier, and if you don't, you are buying an expensive wall art. Here is my brutally honest assessment framework. Ask yourself these 3 questions. Question number 1. Do I have a real project right now? Not someday, not maybe, right now. Can you identify waste, variation or defects in your current role? If no, don't get certified yet. Find problems first, then get the tools to solve them. Question number 2. Do I have authority to implement changes? Six Sigma without implementation authority is academic exercise. If you can't actually change process, you are learning theory without practice. That's why so many certified people feel frustrated. They see problems but can't fix them. Question number 3. Am I committed to the mindset, not just certificate? Six Sigma is about data-driven decision making and systematic problem solving. If you are not naturally curious about root causes and measuring results, certification won't magically make you analytical. Here is my roadmap based on your situation. Just starting out, skip formal certification. Learn lean basics through free resources. Start identifying waste in your daily work. Build the habit of asking why 5 times. Team leader with improvement opportunities. Go for green belt, but only if you have a specific project to work on during training. The project is more important than the certificate. Want to lead transformation initiatives? Black belt makes sense, but only after you have successfully led smaller improvement. Don't jump to black belt as your final step. You will be overwhelmed and ineffective. Already successful without certification? Stay focused on the results. Add certification only if it opens doors you can't open with track record alone. Look, the certification industry has convinced us that credential equal competence. That's backward. Competence should drive your certification decision, not the other way around. I have seen uncertified plant managers outperform black belts because they understood their processes deeply and weren't afraid to experiment. I've also seen certified professionals transform organizations because they combine methodology with real-world application. The difference isn't the certificate. It's the combination of opportunity, authority, and commitment of systematic improvement. So here is what I want you to do. Stop asking, should I get certified? Start asking, what problems am I solving today? If Six Sigma tools would help you to solve those problems better, then consider certification. If you are hoping certification will create problems for you to solve, you are approaching this backward. Your career grows through impact, not credentials. Make Six Sigma your tool, not your identity. So here's my challenge for you. Before you spend $1 on certification, identify one process in your current role that frustrates you. Spend 2 weeks trying to improve it using basic problem solving. If you get stuck and need systematic tools, then you are ready for certification training. Drop a comment below. Are you team get certified first or solve problem first? I will personally respond to every comment because this topic hits close to home for me. If this honest take saved you from making an expensive mistake or helped you make the right certification decision, click that like button and subscribe for more no BS career advice in Operation Excellence.